How hot is it? We are out here behind the station. As you can see, there's some of our satellite dishes, a little 5-mile-per-hour speed limit sign. We are melting things today. I have got my skillet down here. It's been sitting out in the sun for about half an hour getting warmed up. And you were taking suggestions today. Kathy Zeiler, she wanted a candle. Let's see, Nancy Kennedy, she said a popsicle, ice cube. A lot of people, Annie Kendrick said some cheese. A lot of people listed food. We'll do food later this week. We're gonna do actual items today. So Wade Copeland said a CD or a game disc. And Jazzy Cooper, she said, how about a credit card? So we've got all that stuff we're gonna try in a skillet versus in a car, on a skillet versus on a car. So here we go. First of the skillet, Matthew Banda said he would really like for it to be a Lady Gaga CD. So here we go, Lady Gaga right here on the skillet, and we've got an old, looks like an old Southwestern Bell phone credit card for me. All right, we're putting those down right now. It's 2:30. We're going to come check back with these periodically. Now let's go see what it's like in the car. Okay, we are now in a car. As you can see, the dashboard is already over 150. If you watched last week, you know it can get up to, we got what, to 163 in here. So here we go. We've got a credit card right here. We're going to see how that goes. And we've got another CD to compare. This is Eric's Love Songs mixtape. I've been meaning to get rid of this. We'll flip this one upside down, and there we go. How long is it going to take all this stuff to melt and be useless? It's 2:30 right now. We'll see. How hot is it?